एवरीवन। आज हम MPCHO की एग्ज़ाम की जो 27 जून 2019 को कंडक्ट हुई थी उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करवाने वाले हैं। इसके पहले भी हमने 12 दिसंबर 2019 वाली एग्ज़ाम के शिफ्ट 1, 2 और 3 के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करवा दिए हैं। उसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन सेशन। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, which of the following is a communicable disease? So here our right answer is diphtheria is a communicable disease. Okay, hypertension, diabetes and kwashiorkor, these three are the non-communicable disease. Second question, which among the following is not a common symptoms of a tuberculosis? So here our right answer is weight gain, because tuberculosis caused weight loss, not a weight gain. So here our right answer is weight gain. Okay, third question, what is the full form of VVM? So VVM is a stand for vaccine vial monitor. So here our right answer is C. Vaccine vial monitor is help to check the efficacy of each vaccine like polio. Okay, next question, what is the referred site for administering the DPT vaccine in an infant? So preferred site for a DPT vaccine is vastus lateralis. C is the right answer. Next question, all among the following home available fluids can be given to a diarrhea patient except. So here our right answer is we cannot provide the sugarcane juice. Okay, C is the right answer. The suggested dose for vitamin A at a 9 month of age is. So here our right answer is 1 lakh international unit. Okay, so at 9 months we provide the 1 lakh international unit, and from 9 months to 5 years at the interval of 6 months we provide total 8 doses of 2 lakh international unit of vitamin A. Okay, next question, fever, abdominal tenderness, slow pulse, delirium and rose colored rashes indicate the disease. So here our right answer is this symptoms is a disease of measles. Next question, leprosy is caused by. So here our right answer is leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium lepra. Okay, Mycobacterium tuberculosis is responsible for tuberculosis. Rotavirus is responsible for diarrhea. Okay, next question, which first line anti-TB drug is a contraindicated for a pregnant woman? So here our right answer is streptomycin is a contraindicated for a pregnant woman. Okay, next question, symptom of a stroke are. So here our right answer is all of the above. Confusion and difficulty in speech, then difficulty in swallowing and face drooping, and severe headache and dizziness. These three are the symptoms of stroke. Okay, so D is the right answer. Then gestational diabetes occur in. So here gestational diabetes occur in a pregnant woman. So here D is the right answer. Next question, how does cancer spread in a human body? So here our right answer is D, both lymphatic system and through blood system. D is the right answer. Next question, the common method of screening for a cervical cancer in the community is. So here our right answer is B, visual inspection with the acetic acid. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question, how many steps are involved in doing breast self examination? So here our right answer is mainly 5 steps is included in a breast self examination. Next question, asthma can be prevented by. So here our right answer is prevented by preventing the exposure to allergen. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question, beta blocker and ACE inhibitors are the prescribed for a management of. So here our right answer is ACE inhibitor and beta blocker is used for a hypertension patient. Okay, next question, the following are the fat soluble vitamin except. So here our right answer is vitamin C is the water soluble vitamin. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question, vitamin needed for a blood clotting. So here our right answer is vitamin K is a needed for a blood clotting. D is the right answer. Then oral rehydration therapy is recommended for a patient suffering with. So here our right answer is ORS therapy is recommended for a patient having a cholera or diarrhea. Which procedure will help in the management of atonic PPH, postpartum hemorrhage? So So here our right answer is bimanual compression of uterus. A is the right answer. Okay. Next question. In eclampsia, the initial loading dose of an intramuscular injection MgSO4 magnesium sulfate is, so here our right answer is 5 gram in each buttock. A is the right answer. Next question. In a soak, one should preferably not use, so here our right answer is we cannot use dextrose 5% in a patient having a soak. Okay. Next, in a crying baby, when should the cord be clamped normally? So here our right answer is once the cord pulsation stop delivery. Okay, so C is the right answer. We should cut to the cord, or we can say we clamp the cord after the cord pulsation is stopped. Okay. Next question. The first step in a thermal protection for the newborn include, so here our right answer is drying the baby thoroughly immediately after the birth. It is the first step for a counseling of a IUCD insertion should be done. So here our right answer is starting from the antenatal visit, we should counseling for a IUCD insertion. A is the right answer. Next question. The mother should be assessed for the following within 1 hour of delivery. So here our right answer is mother should assess for excessive bleeding, uterine contraction, and also for a temperature. D is the right answer. Next question. What should be room temperature in a labor room? So here our right answer is it is about 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question. What is the depth of chest compression for an adult? So here our right answer is it is about 4 to 5 centimeter, and in inch it is about 1.5 to 2 inch. Okay. Next question. The sign of increase the ICP intracranial pressure in a child 18-month-old is, so here our right answer is increase the irritability. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. Quality assurance referred to. So here our right answer is quality assurance refers to standard practice. A is the right answer. Then islet of Langerhans are present in, so here our right answer is it is present in the pancreas, which is responsible for a secretion and production of insulin and other hormone. Next question. Mrs. Leela has a placenta previa. The most likely symptoms she will present is, so here our right answer is the main symptoms of a placenta previa is a painless bleeding. So A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following tests result in a useful to assess the liver function? So here our right answer is for a liver function we should assess the serum transaminase level. Okay. Creatinine clearance test is used for a kidney. Okay. Then glucose tolerance test is used for a pancreas function. Okay. For a liver function we should assess the serum transaminase level. Next question. The Panchayat Raj institution at the block level. So here our right answer is Panchayat Samiti. D is the right answer. Okay. For a village level, it should be a Gram Panchayat, and for a district level it should be a Jila Parishad. So here for a block level it is a Panchayat Samiti. D is the right answer. Next question. In an adult during a ear irrigation to strengthen the ear canal, hold the pinna. So here our right answer is upward and backward for adult, and for the children we should hold the pinna, that is downward and backward. Okay. Next question. Heat regulation center is, so here our right answer is hypothalamus is known as heat regulation center. Next question. Increase the pulsation felt in a lateral fornix of a vagina in a pregnancy is termed as, so here our right answer is it is known as the Osiander sign. Okay. Chadwick sign is the bluest of cervix, vagina and labia due to the increased the blood flow. Then Goodell sign, it is the softening of a vaginal portion of cervix occur due to the increased vascularization. And Hager sign, it is a softening of a lower uterine segment on a bimanual examination. Okay. Next question. Priority attention required for an unconscious patient is, so here our right answer is airway patency is the first assessment for an unconscious patient. Then next question, the most appropriate nursing intervention. The first 48 hours of a hospitalization often burn over a 30% of the body is directed towards the preventing. So here our right answer is shock. Okay, firstly we have to manage the shock. Okay. Next question, dysphagia is a defect that cause difficulty in. So here our right answer is it is cause difficulty in speech. Okay. In difficulty in swallowing, it is called dysphagia and difficulty. Next question, the largest gland in a human body. So here our right answer is liver is the largest gland in a human body. Next question, enlargement of a thyroid gland due to the lack of iodine. So here our right answer is in goiter. Okay. Next question, inanimate objects that can transmit the disease are termed as. So here our right answer is fomite. Okay. Reservoir is a kind of infection agent, is the habitation in which the agent is a normally live, grow and multiply, including animal, human and environment. Okay. So here fomite is a inanimate object that can transmit the disease. Okay. Next question, person or animal or object from which the infectious agent is transmitted. So here our right answer is it is called host. Okay. Next question, infection occurring in a patient while in a hospital or healthcare agency, it is known as nosocomial infection. Okay. Then iatrogenic infection, it is a result from a diagnostic or therapeutic procedure. And opportunistic infection are an infection that occur more frequently and are more severe in a people with a weakened immune system, including people with the HIV/AIDS. Okay. Next question, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in a community at a given period of time. So it is known as epidemic. Okay, here our right answer is epidemic. The endemic means constant presence of disease or infectious agent within the given geographical area or a population group. Example like chickenpox and malaria. And pandemic is a epidemic that spread over a multiple country. An outbreak of a disease to a large geographical area. Example coronavirus. It is a pandemic disease. Then sporadic, it is the disease that are seen occasionally and occur in an irregular pattern. Example tetanus and rabies. Okay. Next question, proponent of a germ theory of a disease. So here our right answer is Louis Pasteur. Okay. Okay. Next question, what does BMW stand for? So BMW stand for biomedical waste. A is the right answer. Next question, vaccine produce. So vaccine produce the active immunity. So here B is the right answer. Next question, the time interval between the entry of the disease agent into the body and symptoms of a disease is known as incubation period. So here we finish our 50 MCQs of MPCHO 2090 exam. And if you get benefit, then kindly like, share and thank you for watching.